Okay, let's just set up a master layout real quick, right? So if I go to my project in my IDE, and if I go to resource, views, and admin, basically a master layout for admin, as we have created a layouts folder, and if I right click and then create a new blade file, call this, you can also call this layout, I'll call this basically, I think, a master, right? And then if I open my dashboard, because the main purpose of master layout is creating, because we don't need to repeat, many things are common, so we don't need to redundant them, right? So that's why we are creating a master layout. So if I completely cut them and paste them inside master layout, a master.blade.php, and then simply I'll just cut some contents, right? Basically from this row. So I'll cut this row and then create a yield for it. Yield, and the name of the yield would be content, simply, right? And then you go to dashboard, and first I will extend the layouts, admin layouts, the master, and then the section is content. And then paste the row here, basically the contents of the dashboard, right? These are the contents. And then if I save this and open this, if I close this content, now you can see it's not working, perfectly. If I just cut them, now you can see this is our, basically it's extending our master layout. This is our completely layout, and we are simply we have called yield there, so this content is putting inside yield, right? So this is our dashboard page, and then we will again go to master layout, and then we will separate something else. There are many other things that we need to separate them. For example, the sidebar, right? Cut this and then create inside layouts, create a new blade file, call this sidebar, and then paste sidebar code here, and then go to master, just include them, right? Admin layouts, and then sidebar, and navbar as well. I think we don't need to, navbar is okay because there's no lot of changes, but in here in dashboard we will need to create a yield and call this page, because we will be inside add product, view products, orders, and users, so it will be changed. So we will simply say page, and then if you go to dashboard, so if we reload, there will be nothing to show. So if we say section, page, and then end section, and the name of the page is dashboard, right? So this is our master layout. Very simply we have set up our master layout, and in the next video we'll be setting up our we'll be basically work with add products, all the products, adding, viewing them, updating them, all these sets, right? So from the next video we'll be setting the add product form, right? See you in the next video.